100 of millimeter run out. Actually, it's great. Right now, here I need get 170 millimeters, and right now I have 169.99. So on 100 of millimeter I can remove by sandpaper, but I don't do that because it's so close. I don't touch this surface anymore. So next I should to call for material where it's gone. Yeah, for bearing, to check the next bearing outside measure, you know. And here we can see some kind of tiny measuring tools, and exactly this I'm using around 2 times in a year. So thanks for the watching, good luck, and have a nice day.